Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best RV sower hose forums that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Camco RhinoFLEX 15 feet RV sower hose. Camco is a highly popular brand of RV-related products since most of its models are highly functional while coming at a pretty low price tag. The Camco RhinoFLEX RV sower hose is present at the first position of this list since this can be a great high value for money option for a lot of buyers. For starters, you get a pretty decent length of 15 feet with it. Moving over to its connectivity options and adapter, you will be glad to know that it offers a Clearview 90-degree 4-in-1 adapter that is not only highly versatile but also quite easy to use. While there is a 1-year warranty included with it, its build quality is a bit on the average side. You can be done draining waste and back to enjoying all the perks of having an RV in no time flat. This 4-in-1 detachable adapter will fit any standard sower connection, and it comes with a lock cap to prevent dripping. And not only is it easy to set up, but its steel wire core also makes it one sturdy hose that will stand the test of time. We like that it comes with two 10-foot options, which is great because you can use the amount of hose you need. And just like setup, storage is simple with this hose because it compresses down to 56 inches. The clear elbow is another excellent feature. While seeing the contents of your RhinoFLEX hose may be unpleasant, the advantage is that it's easy to know when the job is done. Number 2, Camco 39658 Deluxe 20 sower hose. The Camco Deluxe 39658 is a heavy-duty model and is an excellent choice for people who use their RV trailers occasionally. The kit comes with two 10-foot hoses with HTS vinyl construction, pre-attached swivel lug and bayonet fittings with 4 storage caps, and a 4-in-1 adapter. It also comes with an extra transparent extender fitting for the RV outlet, enabling one to see when the tank is empty. The Deluxe 39658 compares favorably with other Camco models in build quality and ease of use. However, it has a slinky form, making it hard to handle compared to the rigid RhinoFLEX model with excellent shape retention. Also, the HTS vinyl material is thinner and punctures easily, and several users have had issues with pinhole leaks and tears. Furthermore, the hose does not stretch out to the indicated length, and it may not fit some RV bumpers. This sower hose comes with specially designed fittings so you can quickly connect it to your standard RV sower outlet. In addition, this kit comes complete with 2 caps to keep any additional water inside the hose and not in your bumper. The RhinoFLEX series has various additional attachments available so you can connect to any dump station, no matter how oddly constructed. Number 3, Camco RhinoEXTREME 15 feet RV sower hose. The RhinoEXTREME 39861 15-foot is a sturdy RV sower hose designed for use in extreme conditions. The hose features a robust TPE vinyl material that withstands abrasions and extreme temperatures of heavy-duty use significantly better than the polyolefin material typically found on other Rhino brand hoses. Plus, it offers excellent crush protection and features a polyolefin wire reinforcement that helps with shape retention and durability. One of the drawbacks of the TPE material is that it is less rigid and it does not compress as easily as polyolefin, making storage a challenge. The kit comes with a swivel bayonet fitting that connects securely to your RV sower outlet and a pre-attached transparent swivel elbow with a 4-in-1 adapter compatible with most dump station inlets. Also included in the kit are locking rings that help keep the swivel fittings securely attached to the hose to minimize leaks and storage caps to prevent dripping and keep the storage area dry. The Valterra Viper sower kit is an extra thick and durable hose with swivel fittings that make it easy to put together. The Clearview adapter allows you to monitor water flow as you dump, and a universal sower adapter plus a set of 4 storage caps completes the kit. This collection will allow you to dump your tanks right away. Number 4, Camco Black 39551 complete RV sower. The Camco 39551 is a complete ready-to-use 10-foot sower kit suitable for seasonal RV campers. The kit features a 10-foot sower hose with a pre-attached bayonet fitting compatible with standard RV sower outlets. However, several users have noted that the bayonet fitting may leak and not provide a reliable connection. Additionally, the elbow fitting is translucent, which can be a drawback for some users because it does not allow you to observe the dumping process. Unlike other Camco hoses with detachable fittings, the 39551 comes with permanently attached elbow and bayonet fittings, making it less versatile. Plus, while it is more flexible than the heavy-duty RhinoFLEX series, it may not stretch fully to 10 feet in cold weather, which can be a drawback if it is the only hose you have at hand. However, it is lightweight for easy handling, and the HTS material is fairly robust to give you good service for its price point. Last as long as other hoses on this list, the fittings do offer a tight, leak-proof fit. Additionally, the 4in1 adapter ensures you can dump absolutely anywhere, and the Bayonet fittings are easy to use without any special tools. Number 5 Titan 17853 15 feet 15-foot Premium RV Sower Hose. Thetford Titan is one of the most popular brands of RV sower hoses out there, which offers a lot of models that are generally highly versatile and easy to use. This Thetford Titan 17853 RV sower hose is present at the third position of this article because it is the most versatile option stated here. You get a highly functional 5-in-1 adapter with it, which is quite different from most other RV sower hoses out there. Another handy thing about this RV sower hose is that you get a decent length of 15 feet with it. You also get a decent 1-year warranty and a great build quality with this RV sower hose. The use of thermoplastic elastomer (TPE) properties. TPE gives the hose super strength, it's puncture and abrasion resistant, and you can rest assured that it won't get crushed. Plus, this hose is robust enough to use in both high and low temperatures. We also find the secure end caps very useful, as they make storing leaky hoses a thing of the past. Finally, the Thetford Titan comes with a 10-foot extension. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.